So this is a power piece that has what we call an armless recliner. You can see there's not any buttons or anything in here, so folks always wonder, how do I control this? Well, this is controlled by a right lever. It's a power lever. So down in here, you can see there's a little lever. It's kind of a curved lever. This is called a right-hand lever. And we're going to show you how this works. So if I pull back on the lever, you'll see that it's just going to recline. And as we go, kind of stays in there and hides. And then as it comes out a little bit further, you can kind of see that the lever right there, but it kind of hides in here. It's really simple, easy to use. When I want to go down, I just push it forward and it pushes right forward. So this is called a right-hand lever, right-hand powered lever that powers an armless chair. It actually just fastens to the side of the chair. So if you have to replace it, really easy replacement, connects to the motor. But that's how this armless chair has power. It's an armless power recliner.